So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a GIF file from the internet and move it into iMovie. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a new tab and try and find that GIF file. So let's say we wanted one of a flower blooming in time lapse. So we can search flower blooming time lapse GIF, and when we search it, it gives us a bunch of images, but they're actually GIF files. So when we click on one and we open it up, we can see the actual GIF. The next step after that is to open QuickTime Movie, because what we're going to do is we're going to take this GIF file and actually save it as a .mov file. So let's open our Finder, and in our applications, we will see the QuickTime player. And when we double click it, we now have QuickTime open. Now that QuickTime is open, what we're going to do is we're going to click on File and click New Screen Recording. A little rectangle pops up with a record button. It's the little red dot. And when we click it, it says click to record the full screen or drag to record part of the screen. So I only want to record the actual GIF. So I'm going to drag and drop. And now, since that area is selected, we can click Start Recording. Okay, so now it is recording, and we only need a very brief recording because it's just repeating the exact same GIF. And when we're done, we're going to bring our mouse to the top right corner. There's a little square with a circle around it. That's the Stop Recording button. And when we do that, it creates a little file here, and we can play to preview it. We see the file we just recorded. And now we're going to go up to the top and click File, Save. Now we can name it whatever we want, Blooming Flower, and we'll just save it to our desktop because that's the easiest place to locate a file. We'll hit Save. Okay, we can close it. And now, if we open up iMovie and our file, I'm just going to move everything over for a second, our file Blooming Flower is over here on our desktop, and we can drag it and drop it into iMovie. And when we play it, we'll see that GIF.